This time I'm going to play this game called Curse of War. It is a fast-paced RTS game for your terminal, and just recently came out, I think like a week or two ago. So let's do this here. I'm going to do Curse of War, do a -H for some options you might want to look at. So these are the options they have now. You might have to use the width or the height here. Depending on your terminal, it will fit the map inside your terminal and fonts and all that. All these other ones, like difficulty or whatever, you can do that. But starting out, was it on normal? So we're gonna play it on normal here. Okay. So do Curse of War, and we're actually gonna change the what is it? The map shape here. We're gonna use rectangular, and yeah, that's about it. Rectangular. So this is it, and you start out as you start out as the green color here, right? All your hotkeys are down here. Space to put the flag and everything. And to move around, it's just using Vim hotkeys, HJKL or something. Or you can use your arrow keys too. So Vim hotkeys or arrow keys is all fine. And to place a flag, you use space, right? To build something, R or V, blah blah blah. You read the bottom here. Now all these dots on the screen, these are what is that? Your army. So as they expand, and it does it automatically, so you're not in control of how they expand or anything like that. You can actually send your army if you use the flag, but let me build up first here. And let's see who I should attack first. Well, it's much easier for us to attack the pink color here, or is it purple? So we'll do that in a minute, but we want to build up our army first. And let's build some more. Well, these ends here, these are what is it? Village, and then you can actually upgrade it to. Let me upgrade it again here. This double I shit. This one is your. What is that? Town, and then you can actually upgrade it again into a fortress, or they call it castle. And this is WW here. That's what it is for that. So let's attack here. You can use the flags to send your army up, right? Actually, we'll get rid of that because we're losing. The way that they're attacking here is that if you go to that tile, whatever, you can see that our numbers here are population. So if my population is higher than his, then obviously I'm winning. So this is how you see the losers and winners or whatever there. And you do have gold piles on here, and you see that these are the gold piles, and basically that's how you get your money here, and use that to buy what's that your well, they have three prices. So the first one is obviously your village, the second one is your town, and you can actually upgrade to a fortress or castle, whatever it is. So let's start killing these motherfuckers first. Now, when you use the flags, which are the P's here, so when you place your flags, which are P's, it sends your army to that, right? But don't put too many flags on the screen because it will actually divide up your army, and it's not gonna be strong. You can see that mine is like strong because it has like all the what is that here? Like a lot of the dots here, as opposed to some of these ones are very thin. And that means they have less units there, because each tile you have about what's that, 499. That's the max you can get on each tile. So, and once it it can actually migrate, so you can see that it's moving. So let me see, block them here first. So that's pretty much how you play the game. You just destroy everyone on the screen, and you win. And I think in the future, he said he's gonna have multiplayer, so you can actually connect and play with other people. That would be great. Cause right now on normal mode, it's kind of easy for me. Even on hard, it's kind of easy. I haven't played super hard yet, but maybe another time. Now the way that you would what I like to attack is that I attack the small little tiles first around the buildings. That way I can usually capture the buildings too, but it's much more effective to attack the, the smaller army around it, and then you can actually capture the building quite easily, right? So this gray guy's attacking me up here, so let me attack him back here. So obviously with any RTS you want to get the most resources and the most army and the most land, and that's what we're trying to do here. So let's build some more buildings here. I like to build just the village because it costs less and I can spam those out. Otherwise if you upgrade you'll it costs like 300 or 600. Although that one will give you a higher percentage of population growth. So the village, they give you 10% growth, and when you upgrade it to the next one, the double I shit, it'll give you what was that, 20%, and then the fortress will give you 30%. So, but in the beginning, don't try to upgrade. Just build the lighter shit. And when you're attacking someone, make sure your army's not thin like this. Like you see his army right here, this is very thin. I can actually capture all that thing very easily. So if I can go here, you see that I can capture these suckers quite easily because his army is so thin here, right? As opposed to my flow, see my tiles are all like solid. It has like what is that, 6 dots on each one of them, and that's why my flow is it's more constant than his, and that's why I can attack him quite easily. Plus I'm the what was it? I have like the most land and army and gold and all that, so pretty easy to attack him easily in here. But anyways, that is the game, and we almost win now. Come on, die. There we go. It says you are victorious at the bottom here, right? That's pretty much it for the game. I like it a lot, and hopefully they'll improve it more in the future so we can have multiplayer support, because I want to play against the real players and I can talk shit. And it's pretty light because it's just from your terminal here. Anyways, should be in the AUR if you have Arch and stuff like that, and go install it. That'll be it for this one.